Hey, what's up, guys? It's Matthew here, the designer and developer. I just want to let you know that I am busy cloning a social media application. So I'm not going to tell you which one is it. So I would like to show it to you and then you will some sort of let me know which one is it. So I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so in case you are thinking this is TikTok, this is not TikTok. This is my own clone of a TikTok. So if it looks like it, that means at least I have tried to make a replica or a copy of TikTok. So I am busy recording a series of videos where I teach people on how they can create their own TikTok. So if you are interested and you like this type of content, please do me a favor, follow me on YouTube. It's Coded Design. I'm Matthew Msinganti, the designer and developer from South Africa. See you on the actual series where we are creating a TikTok clone.